public service announcement to all of the man them out there. If you have to spend money to get a girl, meaning if you have to use money to get her, you're not a gallus. You're actually a customer.
Bam, bam, bam. What Footah said a while ago? Brother, if you have to use money to get a little vaginal cavity, you're not a gallus, brother. You're a customer, bad bro. Easy yourself. You come and talk about, yo, what a girl, man. Brother, me they run some man who have be a bread dog and the man about floss and go on and want to see the girl them in the background and so roll them here. Let me see, yo, this is lame. Pam, pam, pam. Yeah, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara, ladies and gentle G's. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yes, today I react to some of the great videos of the one and only Footah Hype. The great Footah Hype, I should say. You understand what I say? I rate that brother, yeah. You know, to the ground and where him walk. But you understand what I say? Footah Hype is the voice of reason, and Footah Hype is the voice that Jamaica need. You understand what I say? Keep a balance. Big up Footah Hype. Can I get a sound effect for Footah Hype? Yes. I know I whole heap of one and I like him, but me rate him. You understand what I say? So I can react to Footah Hype, some videos about Footah Hype. You know, talk to the young ladies right now, real quick. You understand what I say? So let's dive in it.
Yeah, big man thing, no disrespect. But ladies, you know, say me rather there with a big fat shape but not so good looking woman when I nag me and make me miserable. More than there with a hot sexy dime piece with nagging and annoying and miserable as Listen to me. You must be the man peace, be in comfort zone. Be the person where him come to and reason with and tell when him have problem, when him stress out on the road that you him to come home to.
Yo, I keep saying this. It's so simple. And I'm the same way too. Because you have to remember, well, back in the days when I was younger, I just looks, me only care about looks. You understand what I say? I never make a girl really to talk to me certain way still. You understand what I say? But we used to always go for looks. Zane, so the one them who used to mouthy and used to, you know, have a strong personality, you get cut off. It's me coming out and a disrespect for you. Just come and show me your love and look manners and we'll go with you more. But more rather talk to a woman where society deem less attractive than the average human being will bring me peace than a hot girl. But just I swear to God, and my belief say, and I wouldn't say most, but a lot of men think like that. A lot of men would rather have a woman where she average looking and she bring nothing but love and peace and joy. You have to remember, you know, you see when people make you feel good, bro, and them feel good emotions they run all over your body, your attractiveness towards them increase, you know, because you start like them more. When you see certain girl with some man, me I say, oh, that girl that do with a gremlin, yeah. But you don't know the dog makes you happy. We see some really ugly man with some hot girl. We say, yo, the man get the girl. But to happy, the dog makes you happy. Some more time. Looks even most times for me, looks no matter to me. Whether they with a gremlin, whether they with a monkey. But I know such half back 100% than a hot girl. I know some watch over back and say, John, I swear to God, Footah Hype have it down pat my G. Go continue.
You can't have your man miserable. That's him when him reach home in a car 45 minutes, 1 hour, I contemplate if him to come in or not. Ladies, if you're not the man comfort zone, you could have pretty little more, you could have shape good little more. It no matter if you're all good like cool, the man no want to see it. Because you're annoying. Ladies, you don't need to study and understand the things, eh?
Ladies, want to understand that men are very simple creatures. Ladies, again, men are very simple creatures. All we need for do is just have a little peace and you get the world, mama. You see a man where go out and face the pressures of the world and have to come home back and face the pressure of his house. The man there gonna be on ease. The man there gonna be miserable. He gonna be unattracted to you. He gonna be just annoyed to the point where, as Footah said, him there in the car 45 minutes just a bill. And a whole heap of man go through the reality there. A whole heap of man face the reality there right now. Much videos online. When man talk about why them, them hang out with them friends so much a road and how them drink so much and whatever, it's because them have a woman where just a name out them ears. Mama, you have to make him breathe, mama, make him feel at ease. You can't listen to the man ears and ning, mama. So somehow on look good and then no wonder why on a single. Man no business ball looks, but man business ball looks, so we'll just meet you. When we see the personality, I will see the personality kind of lame because really and truly, you see the girl in society deem less attractive, or no, not even girls, people. The people them who society deem less attractive, they have some wicked nice personality dope as hell. But you see the really attractive people them in a earth, them boring as fuck. Yo, go continue. Footah Hype, how you say I'm a G?
Public service announcement to all of the man them out there. If you have to spend money to get a girl, meaning if you have to use money to get her, you're not a gallus. You're actually a customer.
Bam, bam, bam. What Footah said a while ago? Brother, if you have to use money to get a little vaginal cavity, you're not a gallus, brother. You're a customer, bad bro. Easy yourself. You come and talk about, yo, what a girl, man. Brother, me there run some man who have be a bread dog and the man about floss and go on and want to see the girl them in the background and so roll them here. Let me say, yo, this nigga lame. Me have on a one Ian shirt and a one little chain and a nice shirt and a nice jeans and a nice sneakers and you know what I mean? Up for grabs. We don't know what someone on the bad bro, someone who is not gallus who now use resources to get the attention to garner a little vaginal cavity on a lame, bro. You understand me? I say, Footah, teach the dog them. When a girl like and genuinely like your brother, you know, for all of that. That's the bonus, that's the chirp on top. You understand me? I say, Footah, go we continue right quick, my G.
See? Woman feel like you for who you is and not how much you spend.
I agree.
If it all depends on how much you spend, that means she do a business.
Business transaction.
You spend, she give something.
Yeah.
You understand? If she naturally like you and you naturally like her and then you spend money upon her, take her out, buy her things, you win. But anyhow, it's only basically because of where you spend. Make sure you get the time of the day I look upon you. You're only a customer, my friend. Get with the program. Costy.
Get with the program, Costy. You're a customer, you're not a gallus, bro. I'm see no phone and go on the most way, brother. No phone and lame dog. You know say lame man can't have money. Waste man can't have money. I'm gonna say it again. Lame man can't have money. And waste man can't have money. If you no use no money for get gal, brother, you're not gallus, brother. As Footah Hype say, you're a customer, my G. Go buy that and then shh. Cause you didn't put any effort to get that right there. So you humble yourself, bad bro. You understand me? I say? Go easy. You probably not have the gift of gab. I'm urging all owners, young man, getting a sales. Learn to sell something. Because once you learn to sell things, you can learn to sell on yourself. A whole heap of owners, man, don't know how to sell on yourself. Tell a girl the things about you that really matter. Make sure you laugh. You understand me? I say? We speak in a tone where you're not too tighty, like I don't speak to girls in this tone. When I speak to women, I speak in a lower tone. You understand what I say? Because you can't sound too tighty like this. Like I do all of this for theatrics, make the video nice. You understand what I say? When I talk to females, I speak in a lower tone. Because when you speak in a lower tone and she feel a bass that you seem more manly. As opposed to I'm speaking like this and nah, bro. This is more attractive to females. You speak in a lower tone, you speak slower. You understand what I say? Direct eye contact. How I am behind the camera and how I am in person is two different things. I'll never talk to a girl like this, bro. Like, you understand what I say? Like, I talk to my female friend, them like this, bro. Yes, remember one time I see a girl and I like, I just take it down and notch. You understand what I say? Talk a little bit slower. Look her dead in her eye. Blink slowly too. You understand what I say? So I don't know if me and Footah Hype playing the game like a bit. You understand what I say? Well, I don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell. You understand what I say? Up move!